just the act of coughing alone, if you imagine coughing, there's this mad cloud of microbes that come out, and not all of it comes out of your mouth, and a lot of it stays in the mouth as it hits the walls of your mouth, right? And then eventually, as you swallow saliva, that gets swallowed in. The sampling happening in the gut is really, really important. About 80% of your sampling tissue for your immune system's in the gut. So encountering all of those things in those sampling tissues becomes a really important part of your immune system starting to learn what is happening, what are you being exposed to, and then your microbiome will notate if those are things to attack or not attack.